Hi everyone, my name is Munga and I'm here today to talk about marketing yourself. Marketing yourself is all about creating your brand. This is all about becoming original. This is all about stating to the people that you can do something to the people or providing to the society that something which they have never seen it before. So how do you go all this about? You can do this by creating a resume, a portfolio, stating that you are good at and why you are better than the other people or why you are the best than the other people. You can do this by creating the belief in you to the people that you can provide the best service to them, and becoming comfortable, becoming confident. It's like you're wearing a mask to the people that, I am the best and I can provide you the best, but you must have arguments on this so that you just won't promise people that you'll provide something to them and then at the end of the day you fumble up. So it is all about believing what you talk. Thank you.